At Elmwood Reclaimed Timber, we pride ourselves on sending out very nice sample boxes and samples. We know how important it is to make the right decision for your project.
When you order a sample box, this is what you should expect to receive. The samples are meant to show the color and grade of the material as well as the craftsmanship of the milling.
You'll find a catalog detailing our production processes, who we are, where the wood comes from, installation shots, and towards the back you find all the different species options in case you just want to see a list of all of our product offerings.
We also send product cards that you can use for a color board or take with you while selecting other products for your project.
You'll also find our business cards so you know which rep to reach out to and get the information that you need. You can request a sample online, and we usually get it sent out the same day or the following day at the latest. Or you can give us a call anytime and a rep can help you select the sample you might need.